this new video of mastering Symfony 3. So in this video we'll learn how we can add Font Awesome to our website or to our Symfony project. So first let's go to fontawesome.com and click on icon. After that we will be direct to this page, and here we can see all the icon that it exists, and here like see the number of how the icon they have. It's a lot, and here there are some free, some payment, some we are not that are not free. Here also we have like a category of the pay of the icon. So for example, if we go here to game, we will see just icon of the game, and lots of other accounts. So first let's go and download them. So let's click on start, and here in the download we can see here that you can download a lot of like version, even in desktop, that I think just SDN, and here download like all the whole package. Here if we are using for example Angular or React, Vue, or even Sass, which is a CSS predecessor, but now let's just click here in download. So here download Font Awesome free for web, and here they are downloading. After that let's open them in folder, and let's try because they are in zip, so let's extract them. So extract here. After that they will extract, and let's search now for the folder, and here it is, or here it is the folder. So we click on CSS. So let's go inside CSS. That's great. So let's go to the Font Awesome, and let's just copy this Font Awesome, that means CSS. Let's copy it, and here Font Awesome 5. I think 4 it's better, because in 4 we used to have here font, and here not like all those class of font CSS. So try to install like Font Awesome 4. So now let's go to our Symfony project, htdocs, Symfony app, go to web, and here let's make a new folder. Let's name it for example Font Awesome, and inside this folder another one CSS, and let's copy that one. And now let's go back and copy and paste the font. So here you can download the version 4 Font Awesome, and click after that 4. After that click in this and get started. Here no thanks, I will just take with Font Awesome 4. So now he will download like the version 4. So we can use like the SDN, or we can download the whole project, the whole icon. What the difference between if if we install this project and if we use just the SDN? The difference is, for example, if we don't have like internet connection and we install just SDN, Font Awesome will not work, or we will not see them. That's why we install the whole project. So now let's go again. Here it is, font awesome 4. Let's go inside and we see here we have font and CSS. So let's copy those two and let's go to our Symfony project. So let's go htdocs app Symfony to the web, font awesome, and let's copy. So now if we go here, we see that we have here 3. So I will just delete those two and leave just the mean .css, because it's as you see here, it has nothing as like size. So now let's go and see how we can work with this font awesome in our view. So let's go to our master page. Here it is, and like we did with the bootstrap, we will do the same for the font awesome. So here let's copy it, and here with asset also, and in the web we have now font awesome. So here it's a font awesome, and inside that font awesome in the CSS, this one, and inside it's so font dash awesome dot mean dot css. So let's save. So now let's try and work with, for example, one of those font awesome. So for example, here in home, let's use, for example, some font awesome or some icon for the home, and to use them we use them inside the tag or the HTML tag I. So I, and let's close it, and here let's use class equal, and every font awesome it's begin with if a, that's mean font awesome. So now let's say also if a dash home. Let's save it and let's go and run. And how I know this FA and FA and FA home is because, or if we go back in here for font awesome 4 and we hit icon, we will see the list of all the icon, and if you notice here, see we have this icon of home. So now if we go down here, we will see the list of all, see here the list of all the icon that it exists in font awesome. For example, let's use, for example, someone here for the gender, type file, snipper, payment account, for example, some American Express, MasterCard, credit card, PayPal also, and here for the currency. So basically, if we want to use one of those, I will click on this, and here I will see the class. So as I told you, every font awesome it must begin with FA, that's mean font awesome, and then FA dash BTS or page queen. So now we see that we use this icon in here. So now let's add another icon for the login and logout. So I will just copy this, and let's go to the logout, for example. So here it is, the logout, and here let's do some space and paste, and icon it's log out, if I still remember well. And same here also this is sign in. Yeah, it's the sign in. So here it's sign dash in, and here register we'll just put like a user. So here user. So let me save this and see if everything is working. So we will refresh, and yeah, so here login, I think this is one is for the logout. Let me just see. Sign in. Alright, here register login. So let's see the logout. Let's connect with this user. Let's save and see if they will change. Yeah, because my example is not working, that's why he gave me this error. So I will just need to run MySQL and then restart. I forgot to start it, so I need, yeah, it's starting now. Let's try again. Now it will work, and see here it gave me the error automatically. So here the logout, we didn't put any icon in the logout. We did put one logout. That means that it's not the right class. So let's go and see. So font awesome 4, and again we click on the icon, and now let's search, for example. So here is, and let's search for logout. It's sign out now. It used to be logout or logout, but now it's sign out. So let's do it, and here sign out. So now let's go and refresh. Let's see if we have about contact also, and see now, but it's the same as sign in. Let's see for login. Yeah, they have the same icon. Let's see about. Don't exist, or it's not don't exist, but they don't have the right icon. Let's see contact. Compress contact you. So that's right, we will just leave those two, or you can choose, if you see some icon and you like it, you can choose it to put it in here. So now let's add some icon to here also, to the test. So let's go here and let's pass, and we will use an icon called cog. So let's save, let's go and see this icon. So refresh, and here it is. You can change it if you didn't like it, and put whatever you like. So now we will see how we can change the size of those icon, and also the color if we want. So let's try, for example, first with this GOG icon here in test. So to change size, there is another class that we use. It's FS font awesome, and for here we see like the number of the size that we want to. Here, for example, to make the size double. Here 3 more, or like 3 times more bigger than this one. So 3 times bigger than this, or 4. We have from 1 or from 2 to 5. Let's see, for example, 2. So 2x. Let's save now, and let's refresh, and we will see that this icon will the size will be bigger. See, now size is bigger. Now let's try if we want to change the color. So to change the color, we use just style, because the icon or font awesome icon are SVG. That means we can do whatever. It's like text. So style equal, and put here, for example, color. Let's put it yellow. So let's save, and let's go now and refresh, and we will see that the color will change. See, it changed to yellow. I think this the size is big, so I will just remove it. I just put it here to show you guys. So now let's save and refresh, and now you can, for example, make with this which color, this one another color, and to try them. And here, guys, if you don't want to use, for example, the FA for size, you can just go here and type like a font size. Like if you're dealing with some text or paragraph, or basically some text, so just put font size, and then put any size you want in pixel. And before ending this video, I want to show you just a cool thing. So let's go here and add this class FA spin. It's like a spinner, and let's go now and refresh, and look to this icon. See, now it's dynamic, it's going around. So you can leave it like this if you want. For me, I will leave it like this. Maybe go and make it a little bigger. So let me show you also for the font size. So font size equal, for example, let's give it 20 pixel and see. So 20 pixel, refresh. It's still the same. See, guys, now it's become a little bigger. So now you know how to add font awesome to your website. You know how to choose between those icons, how to edit in them, make them bigger or smaller, even change in the color. So I think this is all for this video. See you